Hello, today we will guide you through how to invest in gold with Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Trading 212 website or app to locate gold, review the essential details, and place a simple buy order. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you're in the account type you intend to use, such as the Invest or ISA section, rather than the CFD area, as that affects what you can buy and how it's handled. Start by opening Trading 212. Once the platform loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen to find the search bar. This is the quickest way to jump straight to the asset you want without browsing through multiple menus. Click into the search bar and type gold. You'll likely see several results, including the commodity itself, gold-focused exchange-traded funds, and possibly mining companies. For straightforward exposure, look for the listing clearly labeled as gold or a gold-focused instrument that matches the account you're using. Selecting the correct item will take you to its dedicated page. On the gold page, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see a live price chart, recent performance, and additional information such as instrument details and trading hours. This is a good place to confirm you've opened the right listing and to note any relevant fees or the spread. If you're new to investing, remember that the gold price can move quickly, so a brief review helps set expectations. When you're ready, click Buy. You'll be presented with an order ticket. Here you can choose how much you want to invest. Many Trading 212 assets support fractional investing, so you can enter an amount by value rather than by whole shares. Type in the value that fits your plan, keeping in mind any minimum order size and your available cash balance. By default, you'll typically place a market order, which aims to execute at the best available price. The final fill may differ slightly due to price movement. Before you proceed, scan the order summary. Check the instrument name, the amount you're investing, and the estimated cost. If everything looks right, click Confirm Buy. During market hours, market orders usually execute almost instantly. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and processed when trading resumes. After confirmation, you can view your new position in your portfolio and monitor performance over time. Remember, gold can be volatile. Consider your risk tolerance and broader diversification. That's it. Simple, clear, and done.